Digital defenses like firewalls and antivirus software only function effectively when the physical space surrounding the hardware is equally protected. A sticky note, an ID badge on a keyboard, or an open laptop provide clear entry points for anyone walking past. Stepping away for even a minute allows a passerby to photograph a confidential report, read internal emails, or copy sensitive files to a thumb drive. These risks are managed through a 3-step routine: clean, lock, and secure. The entire process takes less than 30 seconds to perform before you leave your desk. Mastering this physical routine establishes the primary defense against unauthorized access to the company's digital network. Step 1 is the Clean Desk Protocol. This requires identifying all sensitive physical media, such as printed reports, handwritten notebooks, employee ID cards, and USB drives. Every physical item follows a binary rule. It must be securely stored or completely destroyed. Items required for future use must be placed inside a desk drawer or cabinet that is locked with a key, removing them from plain sight. Materials that are no longer needed, especially sticky notes containing passwords or meeting notes, must be placed in a shredder for immediate destruction. Removing these items from the desk surface ensures that opportunistic observers cannot collect data simply by walking past your workstation. Step 2 addresses the moments we step away for a quick break or a cup of coffee, leaving the computer active and accessible. Locking the screen should become a reflex triggered the moment you push your chair back from the desk. For Windows users, hold the Windows key and press L. This shortcut instantly engages the system lock. On a Mac, the equivalent command is Control-Command-Q. This action takes less than 1 second, but it ensures that your digital session remains inaccessible while you are away. While locked drawers protect your physical files, the computer screen remains the most direct gateway to the organization's internal systems. Step 3 expands your focus beyond your personal desk to the shared areas of the office. Monitor communal printers. Sensitive documents must be collected immediately from the output tray, rather than being left for others to see. When leaving a meeting room, wipe whiteboards clean and check the area for any forgotten notebooks or USB drives. Apply this same sweep to shared hot desks and reception areas to ensure no company information is left exposed in public zones. Sweeping these shared spaces closes the remaining gaps in the office's physical security perimeter. The transition to a secured workspace leaves a clear surface and a locked monitor, removing all visual cues for data theft. Before you leave your chair, verify your setup. Are the documents stored? Is the screen locked? Are access cards and devices secured? Remember the core habit: clean it, lock it, secure it. These small, repetitive actions provide the necessary protection for the data of our clients and the integrity of our operations. This collective defense is built by every employee mastering physical habits one day at a time.